Hi, Sarah here from Singer's Advice. Well, today I'm very excited to be able to let you know how you can grab your place on my new online singing school. So for many years now, I have been posting YouTube videos of singing lessons, and many of you have been following me for a very long time. And I have done kind of small standalone courses before, but this is the singing program that I have wanted to deliver to you for many years, and for many reasons it's taken me longer than I really wanted it to. But in September I am opening up the doors to my online singing school, where you will get to work with me to develop your vocal technique and just get where you want to be with your singing. Today I'm going to talk about Sing School, let you know all about it, who I am if you don't already know me, what Sing School is about, is it right for you, how does the training work, what will you learn, what makes it unique, and the big question that everybody wants to know, how much does it cost and how to enroll. So if you haven't already come across me on YouTube and you have never seen any of my videos, then I am Sarah Brickle. I am a singer and a vocal coach. And just a little brief overview of who I am and what I've done and why you should listen to me as a singing teacher and a singing coach and a singer. I learnt my trade at the Liverpool Institute for Performing Arts, where I did a degree in performing arts and specifically in music, and even more specifically in singing. And I have been a professional singer for 17 years and a vocal coach for 14 years. Since then, I have worked in theatre, I have worked in bands of my own and have worked with other bands. I've been a signed recording artist for an independent jazz label. I am a songwriter. I've done sessions for TV and other artists and collaborations with producers and songwriters from all over the world. I also, as a voice coach, I have worked with literally every age and every level of singer that you could ever possibly come across. I have worked and do work in primary schools, high schools, in universities, in my own private studio, and obviously on Singer's Advice. So what is Sing School? Sing School is an 8-week interactive video-based training program that teaches effective vocal practice to singers who want to improve their vocal technique, their vocal skills, and develop their voices to the next level. Whether you're brand new to singing or you've been doing it for years, Sing School will challenge you to take action and develop your voice to the highest standard. Who is Sing School for? Sing School is for beginner to intermediate singers who may or may not have had any formal training before, singers who want to learn, develop or refresh their vocal technique, singers that don't know where to start with a vocal practice or regime, singers that want a fresh, holistic approach to vocal training, singers who would like to understand or have an interest in how their voice works, and singers who want vocal exercises they can use to practice, warm up and develop their voices. And I've also put in here singing and music teachers who are looking for ideas and exercises to teach their own students, and singing and music teachers who want to develop their own voices for safe and effective use in the classroom. Because I think it's really important that if you do use your voice in your job every day, especially if you are singing or you are talking a lot, it is so important to have good vocal technique. So how does Sing School work? Sing School trainings are released in weekly modules with easy to follow videos, downloadable vocal exercises, backing tracks, sheet music and worksheets. All of the training is online inside a private Sing School member-only site. Students can view the training videos, connect with others, get feedback and compare notes with classmates. Sing School also includes interactive components like live classes and Q&A, where I will answer questions and offer advice. ensuring that my Sing School students take consistent action and receive the highest value from their investment. Because to me, I really want you to get somewhere with your singing and to develop your voice. This is not a program where you will just be left to your own devices. Yes, it is very at-home based learning, but I will be with you there all the way. You know, I'm going to be doing live Q&As, I'm going to be giving you feedback, and I'm going to help you every step of the way. Plus, you're a Sing Schooler for life, so you can retake the program for free each year for as long as the program exists. So what makes Sing School unique? Well, I like to think that it's unique anyway because it's mine and it's my school and it's my way of teaching. And I hope that for those of you who have followed me for a long time, that you'll see this as an opportunity to go a little bit deeper and to actually work with me, and in some ways work with me one-on-one, because yes, you are doing the training at home through the videos, through the tracks, learning songs, learning exercises and working through that yourself, but I will be there to guide you. You're getting professional online vocal coaching from me. Sing School is step by step and easy to understand. You're going to get feedback, so week by week the modules will get released and you can work on the exercises, and if you need some guidance you can email me. There's going to be a weekly Q&A, so like a live lesson with some question and answers where you can ask me things. You're going to get fun and motivational coaching, because if it's not fun then it's pretty pointless, isn't it? You're going to get a fresh, holistic approach to singing from my program, because I believe singing is not just about your voice, it's a whole body and mind put together experience, and when you are singing, all those things have got to come together. Like I said, there will be live sessions, so once a week I will be going live with you, hopefully. We can talk about what you've been doing that week on the program, and that will be your opportunity as well to ask me questions. You're going to be able to connect with other singers, so during the live sessions, which will probably be a Facebook live session, there will be a Facebook group in which this will take place. Hopefully we can make a nice little singing community. You are going to get results, because on my program, on my watch, nobody is going to stay the same. There is absolutely no way that you are going to do my program, you are going to be part of my Sing School, and you are not going to get results, because I will not let that happen. And the best thing about this is, even though this course is an 8-week module and there will be a live sense to this as well, you do not have to do it in those 8 weeks. You can do this at your own pace. So you do need to get on the course within the enrollment period, because once it closes, that is it, and you will not be able to get on this course after that point, and it will run over those 8 weeks. However, you can get on board, you can enroll, you can get on board in the Sing School, and you can do the course over as many weeks or as months as you like, and that is fine as well. Nobody's behind, okay? No singer gets left behind here. One of the most important things I guess you're wondering is, well, what am I going to learn on this program? So here's a Sing School overview of what will happen during the 8 modules of Sing School. So module 1, we're going to be looking at posture, breathing and resonators. So really, really important stuff, the groundwork for a fantastic voice. So this module, we're going to go in depth, and I'm going to give you exercises and tasks to do to improve all of these elements. Module 2, we're going to be looking at warming up and a vocal regime, something which can often be overlooked by singers. and it really shouldn't be. And we're going to look at why that is, and we're going to learn some great exercises to use for warming up and for implementing into your vocal regime. And this will be like your staple warm-up that you can go to every day, anytime you need something before a performance. This is it, and we're going to get you into a better routine with your singing, so you will want to do these exercises. Module 3, technical practice. Dun dun dun! Everybody's thinking, oh no, what's that? And yes, you will be working on scales, and scales are important, and they do not have to be boring. So my scale exercises are not boring. We're going to do some cool stuff, and we're going to be looking at the major scale, the natural minor, harmonic minor, major pentatonic, and minor pentatonic. So they are the scales we are going to cover in this program, and we're going to go in depth with them, and we're going to play with them, and we're going to have fun. Module 4, we're going to work on something that I think is really important for singers to work on: timing, phrasing, dynamics, and we're going to also look at kind of trills and slides and things like that. So having uber amazing timing as a singer is really important. Phrasing, again, uber important. Dynamics, making the song just more full of colour and effects, and slides and trills, just kind of, you know, being creative and making things sound just really, really lovely. Module 5, we're going to be diving into singing in harmony. So we're going to be working on 2-part harmony and 3-part harmony, and we're going to get those ears tuned in. We're going to get you absolutely confident and comfortable with understanding how that works and being able to do it by ear and by just hearing and being happy hearing different parts at the same time. And you're going to be learning high harmony, low harmony, melody. You're going to be doing them all. So this is a great one. Module 6, we're going to work on some improvisation and ad-libs, and we're going to have some fun with this. Maybe you've done some improvisation before, maybe you're totally scared of it. You don't need to be. We're going to go for it. We're going to learn from the technical practice that we do in this program on Sing School. You're going to take all that and we're going to move it into the improvisation and the ad-libs, and you're going to be doing all kinds of fun things. Module 7, we're going to look at repertoire and performance, and how you can build your repertoire, how you can work through songs, bring them to life, make them better, add all the stuff, all the elements that we are learning from each module all connect to each other, because each and every one all needs to come together and click into place. And week 8, which is the bonus week, so module 8 is like the bonus week, when I'm going to throw in there some really lovely things, some holistic approaches to singing, how to look after your voice, how to look after yourself, lots of lovely things like that. So now you've heard what Sing School involves, I'm telling you, and I hope you can see from what we're going to be doing and we're going to be getting into and you're going to be taking action with and you're going to be having fun with, there is absolutely no doubt in my mind that if you do all the work set in Sing School and you fully commit to the practice, that you will absolutely hear and feel noticeable improvements in your singing voice. And I can give you my 100% no doubt, because there is no way that if you commit to doing all this that you will not improve. There is no way. I've been working with singers for years and I have never had one singer who has not got any better. So believe me, I am absolutely guaranteeing you that you will get improvements in your voice by doing and taking this program and joining Sing School. So the transformation you're going to have with your voice by the end of Sing School, if you commit and you do all the work and you have fun and enjoy yourself and just really immerse yourself in everything that there is to do on the program, then you are going to have better pitching, better tone, better control, better support, better phrasing, miles better timing, an understanding of how your voice works. You're going to have developed your oral skills, and your approach to singing is probably going to be quite different. And you are going to be a better singer. And that's what we all want, isn't it? We all want to get better at something. We all want to be better at whatever it is that we do. Sing School 2020, enrollment opens between the 17th of August and will close on the 30th of August. So you have 2 weeks to enroll in the programme, and after that time it will be closed. So like I said before, you can enroll in the programme even if you think, I'm not going to be able to do this in the 8 weeks. So it's going to start on the 7th of September. Monday the 7th of September, Module 1 will be pinging open and you will be able to dig in to Module 1. Now, if you're thinking, I can't do those 8 weeks exactly like that, or you might think I've got a lot on, I might not be able to fit this in and do a module every week, that's fine. You don't need to. But what you do need to do is make sure that you get on board within those 2 weeks, and then you can do this program whenever you like. So the live program is 8 weeks, and this runs from the 7th of September to the 30th of October. And you can, like I said, take this at your own pace. The live elements will be uploaded to the program so that you can watch them in your own time whenever suits you. So the big question, what's the investment in Sing School? Well, I see this as something that is going to make a huge difference to the way you approach singing, to how you understand it, to how you approach your voice, to what you practice. It's really going to help you to pin down the things that are important, because sometimes we can get lost in too many YouTube videos, trying to do stuff, listening to other people and not actually taking action ourselves. So I see this as an investment in you, in yourself and in your singing voice. The investment for Sing School is $249, which is actually really good because that's only slightly more than 4 one-to-one lessons would be. And you're getting 8 weeks of uber amazing stuff that you can do forever. So I think this is really great value for what I'm offering, and I really hope that you will see this as an investment in yourself as a singer, to get this groundwork and to take action and to get into an amazing routine and to just take your singing to the next level. And also, you're getting lifetime access. So you can take this course every year just from the one-off payment. So what do you need to do now? Well, enrollment doesn't start until the 17th of August, but you can get on the wait list to make sure you don't miss enrollment, because then I can give you a little reminder and we can get you into the school, get you on the program, and I will be really excited to get to work with you in this really special way. And as I said at the beginning, this course is the course that I've wanted to deliver for a very long time, and I hope that you will join me. And as I said, you're going to learn, you're going to get results, and you are going to absolutely 100% be a better singer at the end of it. So you can get on the wait list if you go to the website singersadvice.com/singschool, and I will put the link right below this video. So thanks for joining me. I hope that I will be hearing from you, and I hope that I will be seeing you in Sing School in September, and I look forward to seeing you again soon at Singers Advice.